In this video, I will show you step by step how you can apply for your national insurance in the UK. So the first thing you need to do is head over to a browser on a desktop or mobile device. Once you do this, you can simply search for NI number gov.uk, which will then bring you over to here. Now you want to go down to apply for a national insurance number, gov.uk. And then once we do this, you will then be on this page here. So before you start, it will give you some information that you may need. So this could be any ID or any information that you will need to input on the application form. So if you go down, you can click on Start Now. So from here, have you applied for a national insurance number for yourself before? Select the one that you want, click on Continue. Are you working or looking for work in the UK? So you can select which one is relevant to you. So yes, I am looking for work in the UK, for example. You can go through and then you can now enter in your name. Once you enter in your name, it will ask you if you have had any other names. You can select yes or no. Click on Continue. From here, select your gender. And then you want to enter in your nationality. Once you do this, click on Continue. And then you now want to enter in your date of birth. Select Continue. Were you born in the UK? You can select yes or no. And then you now want to enter in your address. Once you enter in your address, you will then need to enter in your email to get any email communications. So for here, you can then enter in your phone number, or you can select no, I do not have a phone number. Do you have a passport? You can then select yes or no. And then as you can see, this is all the information that you have entered. Now, if you want to go down, you can go to the bottom. By submitting this application, I confirm that to the best of my knowledge, the details and evidence I provided are correct and complete. Now, if everything here is correct, you can go down to the bottom, click on this box here, and then select Accept and Send. And then once you do this, they will then get back in touch with you to update you on any progress or for any further information if needed.